Hi, this is Steve from Worthington Distribution. I'm here to open up the Alula security system. In case you aren't aware, Alula was formed when IP Datatel and Resolution Products merged together, so now they go under the name Alula. That's A-L-U-L-A. So this is the Connect Plus kit. It has what people used to know as the Helix control panel, now called the Connect Plus. This is a 2.1.0 kit, which includes a motion sensor, touchpad, and we'll see what else. Open the box. The first thing I take out is the new Alula touchpad. It is a Wi-Fi device, has encrypted protocol back to the system. It comes with a power supply and desktop stand. There's also the radio card which gets put into the system to communicate with this. Also in the box is our Resolution Products motion detector. This is a pet-immune motion detector. It is in a weatherproof enclosure, so it can actually be installed outside. Obviously, read the instructions as far as how far you can actually place it. We have two of the resolution door contacts. This is what people know as their Nanomax size contacts. Two of those. And of course we have the control panel. Which is tightly packed. Your base, power supply cable, instructions or packing material, and the control panel itself. And that concludes the unpacking process. We'll do a video on how to set this up later on.